Hey guys, what's up? If you don't know me, it's Sheikh here, and in today's video I'm gonna be sorry, my nose is still a bit blocked. So in today's video I'm gonna be creating this super understated pretty look for you while doing some Q&As as well as giving you some general information about myself. I'm also going to be talking about mental health, basically my relationship with depression. So if you're ready for all of this, then just sit there and watch the video. And if you're not interested in all of this, then sit there and watch the video.
Smart AF.
So my base is set, and the reason why I did this before I started the video is because I don't want you guys to be scarred for life.
This is how I looked before the transformation. I hope I scar you for life.
Right. I'm gonna go ahead and apply bronzer. Wait, oh my gosh, the mirror. Okay. Guys, if I'm doing something wrong, then please ignore it because I'm blind. And I don't know what I'm doing half the time. Okay. There were a lot of questions that were asked for the Q&A session that I held like a couple weeks ago. Okay, a month ago. The reason why I didn't make this video anytime sooner is because I felt like, why would you guys be interested in me? Like in my life or what's happening or like the personal details, right? I have got a lot of requests. Oh my god, I messed it up. I've got a lot of requests to make this video. So here I am. Why do I always mess it up? I'm gonna tell you a couple really general things about me. A lot of my friends know about this, but more than half of you are not my friends. So here's the thing. My name is Iram Salim Sheikh. I'm 21 years old. I'm a fresh graduate from Middlesex University. Apart from that, I live in Ajman, UAE, the village Ajman, if you know what I mean. I have like, I don't know how many members do I have in my family. I have my dad, my mom, I have an elder brother, his wife, their child, I have my sister, I have her husband, I have her child, and there's me, and then there's a younger brother, and then there's a pet. We call her Fat Amy. So I think around 30 people asked me where I'm from. I'm from India. A lot of people assume I'm from Pakistan. I'm not. I'm Indian. I'm from Mumbai. So I'm done with my bronzer and I feel like it's fine. I don't even know if I'm in the frame or not. Either way. Guys, I can't do this on camera. I am so blind, I won't be able to do this. So I'm probably going to be doing this off camera. I'll see you when I'm done with my boys. Okay. Ouch. So I'm done with my eyebrows. They look more like men than boys because I've made them extra dark. I didn't do that purposely. It just happened. Next thing I'm gonna do is apply some blush. Next question. Wait, are you single or not? Well, first of all, I should be saying it's none of your damn business, but since I have a big heart, big ass heart, I'm not single. Sorry, I am single. Next thing, since I'm done with blush, I'm not gonna apply a lot because your girl needs to control herself. I get away.
I know how to control myself. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is some eyeshadow. Because I'm blind. Only on my crease. Some more, because why not?
I know some people were wondering why I hadn't sort of posted any video for the past 2 weeks. I was actually going through something. Actually, a lot of things, not like one or two things. I was sick, so then I was going through some mental shit. I'm pretty sure everyone goes through mental shit, but my thing is, when I go through mental shit, I tend to like go away from social media for a bit. And it's usually like me deleting all my social media accounts for at least a month or so. I wasn't ready to create a video. By mental shit, I meant mental illnesses like anxiety disorders and depression. I've been suffering from depression for the past seven years, I guess, 6 to 7 years, and I've always been very vocal about it and open about it because I feel like you need to show your good parts as well as your bad parts on social media, and not the fact that I'm always so cheery and happy and badass, which I am. Girl, I am badass. But I also have like a bunch of my weak moments. See, I screwed this up. It's hard for me to do anything and everything. And I'm pretty sure it's not just me who is going through something like that. There are a bunch of people, and I just want to let you know it gets better if you have a good support system. So try to build one. Somehow I bought myself out of that place, and here I am making a video. I don't even have anything in mind. I'm just okay. I'm done. I'm almost done, guys.
And since I want like a very youngish glossy feel, I have this lip gloss which I hardly apply. I'm gonna just put a little amount on my lips. It's so shiny and so girly. I'm gonna curl my lashes before applying mascara. Okay guys, let me know if you want me to do like more music videos.
Time for some mascara. I'm done. Just gonna open my hair. Let me just turn my hair a little bit and I'll be back. Okay guys, this is the final look. I haven't styled my hair or anything to just naturally this way. I don't know why, but either way. What? If you like this video and if you think I answered all the important questions, then please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe. Yep, I'm done. The fly, get away. Adios.